Differences between North and South America
by Jenna Johnson and Maddie Pierce.
Geographic differences between the North and the South.
The North has frozen winters, hot and humid summers. There are bays and harbors along the shoreline and fishermen and shipbuildings. The rocky soil there makes farming very hard. There are mild winters and very long, hot, humid summers. The South is made up of mostly swamps and marshes with rice and sugarcane. Their main crops are indigo, tobacco, and corn.
Political differences between the North and the South.
The North has reform movements, and the population is higher in northern states, which gives them a political advantage. The Republican Party is dominant in the northern states. In the South states, they believe strongly in states' rights. They fear that the North will get rid of slavery, and they want slavery to stay there. Economic differences between the North and the South.
In the North, there was much more developed in terms of factory production. Our working conditions were poor, and the Northeast region had 82% of the production capability of the entire nation, and for the South, based on farming and plantation system, they did not industrialize, and they had one iron factory called Tredegar Iron Works.
As you can see in the picture, the North has 87% of factory production, which means that in the South there is less factory production, and the North has more. Social and cultural differences between the North and the South.
The North, the outcome of this was reform movements. It started tradition of public education, which we still have today, and it allowed for more social mobility between all of your classes. And for the South is an agricultural society, and they don't really have a strong tradition of public education, and the wealthy plantation owners owned most of the slaves that were there.